Hi guys, my name is Catherine Sheldon, and I'm currently in the MSW program at Widener, and I just wanted to go ahead and introduce myself and say hi to you guys. So the question is, why at this point in my life did I decide to pursue a master's? So I really decided to do a master's at this point in my life. I just graduated with my BSW, which is my Bachelor's in Social Work, of in May of 2018. I'm really young, and I just decided that at this point it was a better option for me to pursue my master's than to pay off student loans. Financially, it just made sense to do it. I love learning. I currently have a full-time case manager or clinician position at a organization here in Ohio, and it just made sense for me to do it. So I kind of decided to take that leap and do it. I know that I want to go get my doctorate and become a professor at college or in a university. Um, and so I think that I knew I would have to take this step anyway, and I just decided to do it. So thank you, and I'm really excited about this class.